In this video, we will discuss about SIEM, the core component of SOC. In today's complex digital landscape, managing security across multiple systems and networks can feel overwhelming. That's where Security Information and Event Management, or SIEM, comes into play, acting as a brain of the security operations center. SIEM centralizes and analyzes security data from across your entire infrastructure, collecting information from firewalls, servers, applications, and endpoints. It brings everything together into one place for a unified view of your security environment. At its core, SIEM performs two critical tasks: collecting security information and correlating events across different systems. It logs all activity from routine tasks to potential threats and looks for connection between these events to identify risks. SIEM provides real-time monitoring and alerting, enabling your SOC to detect threats as they happen. If there is a suspicious login attempt or an unusual spike in traffic, SIEM triggers an alert, helping your team respond quickly and minimize damage. One of the most powerful features of SIEM is its ability to correlate events. By linking seemingly unrelated activities like failed logins, file transfers, or strange network traffic, SIEM detects patterns that could indicate a security breach. SIEM doesn't just alert you to threats, it can also trigger automated responses. In some cases, SIEM can block an IP address, disable compromised accounts, or quarantine malicious files in real time, stopping attacks in their tracks. SIEM plays a crucial role in compliance, ensuring that your organization meets regulatory standards. It provides detailed reports that demonstrate how incidents were managed, helping you maintain compliance with frameworks like GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO 27001. SIEM also integrates with threat intelligence feeds, updating itself with the latest information on global cyber threats. This allows your SOC to stay ahead of emerging threats and continuously improve your organization's security posture. Beyond real-time protection, SIEM supports proactive threat hunting. Your SOC team can dive into historical data, uncover hidden vulnerabilities, or strengthen your defenses against future attacks. As a core of SOC operations, SIEM serves as a centralized hub where all other tools and systems come together. It gives your security team the visibility, control, and intelligence that they need to protect your organization from evolving threats. With SIEM at the heart of your SOC, you can manage security across your entire infrastructure, detecting threats, responding swiftly, and ensuring compliance, providing comprehensive protection for your organization.
Check out this video on the top right to understand why every business needs forensic analysis, focusing on how SOC conducts forensic investigations to trace the origins of security breaches. And find our full playlist on SOC in the bottom right. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more such insightful videos.